Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda CRV radio. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting. Begin by checking the fuse for your radio, usually located in the vehicle's fuse box. A blown fuse is a common culprit for a non-working radio. Next, ensure all wiring connections to the back of the radio are secure and not loose. Finally, try a simple radio reset, which often resolves minor glitches. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, it's time for deeper diagnostics. Many Honda CRV radios require an anti-theft code after a power disconnection. Ensure you have this code and input it correctly. Next, inspect the antenna connection for any signs of damage or corrosion, as a faulty antenna can prevent signal reception. You might also test your speaker wires for continuity to rule out any audio output problems. Let's address some common problems and their solutions. If your radio still isn't working, the head unit itself might be faulty and require replacement. Sometimes, the issue stems from the vehicle's power supply to the radio, so check for consistent voltage. For newer Honda CRV models, a software update could resolve connectivity or functionality glitches, so check your owner's manual for guidance. If you've tried these steps and your Honda CRV radio still isn't working, it might be time to consult a professional. A certified Honda technician can diagnose complex electrical issues or internal component failures that are difficult to fix at home. Remember to explore online forums for your specific CRV model. They often have valuable community insights. Also, check the description below for a link to a great book that can change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.